So I'm going to read you a story. It's in Genesis 1 to 2, the creation. Out of the deep darkness, God made the sun, moon, and stars to shine. He covered the earth with all sorts of beautiful trees and colorful flowers. Everywhere, animals were flying, swimming, jumping, creeping, and sleeping in the Garden of Eden. God was the great creator of it all. He completed this marvelous work by creating a man and a woman named Adam and Eve. In just 6 days, God created everything. God smiled and said, "This is good. Everything is perfect." Okay.